In this tutorial, we are gonna see how to download the Chrome driver and how to navigate on website in order to continue scraping the website or automating the actions in the website. So this part is gonna be concentrated on the download of the Chrome driver and the possible problems that you're facing with the Chrome driver. So in order to get the Chrome driver, you need to go to the website of the Chrome driver and download it. So you can find the Chrome driver here on the website. How I came here, like I just wrote Chrome driver and it gave on the Google, and the first link that you're gonna see is this one. Make sure to download the release that is corresponding with your current Google account, the Google Chrome version. You can go to the information about Google Chrome, and then you're gonna see the version of the Google Chrome. So once you know the version, it's 2114. You're gonna go and download this one. So you're gonna go to the link and you're gonna choose your operating system. In my case, it's Windows. I'm choosing you how it actually works in the practice. So once you have downloaded, you will have the archive file, and what you're gonna do is go to the archive file. You're gonna have some two files within the archive file. It's the Chrome driver and license. So you need to get this Chrome driver out of this archive and put into your working directory. So what's the working directory? Basically, the working directory is where your file is located. Well, where your file is located. So in my case, it's in this directory. And make sure to indicate your working directory by using the change directory with the by importing the package which is called import operation system OS change directory, and you are indicating the directory. And then you need to make sure that in that directory you have your Chrome driver. So do you remember we have copied the file from out of that archive file? So I'm pasting it here. Okay, I don't care. So it's because I'm using this one. So basically, you're gonna have in your working directory Chrome driver, and then you're gonna mention the name of that Chrome driver here, and you're gonna say service. We have imported the service, right? So you're gonna say service is equal to service and name of the Chrome driver. This is here. So how do you know it's a exe file? You're going here in the details, and in the details you're gonna have the extension of the file. Let me see, where's the extension of the file? Extension of the file. Okay, not this one, so I need this one. Chrome driver. Alright, here. The extension of the file is exe application. So you're gonna run this one. You're gonna say that the service is Chrome driver, and then you're gonna say driver is equal to web driver, that this model that we have installed, and then we're gonna say the service is equal to the service that we have declared before. By clicking on that, by running this line of the code, you're gonna have the the window, it's gonna be open. It says the Chrome is being controlled by automated test software, and then the last step, you're gonna indicate the website. For instance, let's indicate the website. Let's say that we're gonna navigate on the Udemy. So just say that I'm gonna go to the Udemy, and it's gonna go automatically to Udemy. For instance, if you don't want to use the Udemy, and if you're gonna go to the specific page, for instance this one, you're gonna run this line of code, and it's gonna change, and it's gonna go to that line of code. Then make sure that you're using the time, because as you know, the websites don't want to be scraped, don't want the bots to navigate on their properties. That's why it's important to use the time in order to not be get blocked in that specific website. So this is basically easy. The only thing that you have to make sure that your Chrome driver is located in the same directory that you are working, and it's basically has the same path of the same version of your Google Chrome Google Chrome that you're using. So in our case, it's version Google Chrome is 414. Hope it was useful. So if you have any question, you can leave the comment, and I will respond you as soon as possible.